Hello, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit different. I wanted to take you on a day in my life as a content creator with a 9 to 5, with 2 YouTube channels, and I'm doing this all, filming this all on my iPhone 12. I mostly want to encourage someone out there who may want to start a YouTube channel, but they don't have a camera or other equipment that they think they may need to get started. All you really need is passion and a love for content creation. I love YouTube. I love watching other content creators, and I have been really inspired by some of their journeys. And I realized that I have always loved being creative, and I just thought that I could never do it. And one day it was during the pandemic, and I said, just start filming. I have always loved nature. I felt like I wanted to pay tribute to my mom in some kind of way. I never knew what I wanted to do, but one day I was just inspired just to get started, and my first channel, dedicated to Shirley, it's really all about her and the spirit, and it just came from all of that and my own creativity, and it was just very healing, and that channel is just a gift. And I will say, if anyone is going through grief or loss or any type of anxiety, just being out in nature. Here on this channel, Living Midlife, you'll just see me doing a lot of homemaking and just navigating this journey, this second half of my journey. And it's been very, I can't complain about anything, and I hope you join me over here. And I do a lot of shorts content, and yeah, just a lot of homemaking videos, lifestyle videos. So just enjoy the rest of the video. You'll see clips of my shorts, and yeah, I'm just so happy to have this second channel and starting a new journey. I love using my Febreze Air Mist Room Freshener and the Georgia Peach Orchard scent, which is a limited edition. I love how it makes my room smell fresh. A relaxing bath offers numerous physical and mental health benefits, including stress reduction, improved sleep, pain relief, and enhanced circulation. The warm bath helps to soothe muscles and joints, while the release of endorphins contributes to feelings of happiness and well-being. I love taking a nice, good soak every week. It really helps with stresses that have happened during the week and anxiety.